as we're going here, we're going to get some tarot. No, because this has to do with the sun in Pisces. But such a deep connection here to building through the earth with Virgo. And there we have the, you know, the opposite signs. Pisces and Virgo, the energy of the opposites coming together in order to restore the whole, build the whole. Of course, with all the other elements and signs present, we are still all whole. We're building in harmony, guys. We're building in harmony. Well, that's fun because Sun and Libra harmony is right here. All right. Let's get some tarot. It's Alchemy of the Pentacles for sure. So Alchemy of the Four of Cups, Jupiter of starry water. With the Alchemy of the Six of Pentacles, Sun of golden earth. And the Alchemy of the Knight of Pentacles, Priest Royal of golden earth. So we're expanding through the earth and restoring balance through the earth by healing from separation with our emotions, with the mother. And it's connected to our last message, Mercury of living fire, the Alchemy of the Eight of Wands. And we shared that message there. It'll be linked down below. Hold on, guys. I just want to say the Ten of Pentacles is here. And the Alchemy of the Lovers, the Golden King, okay? Guys, there was an ad playing during the music. Had to take care of that. So this is the building of our Ten of Pentacles. With the Golden King and Alchemy of the Lovers. And we are together today because we were inspired by the Two of Cups to be here. As we're healing from separation into unity through union. So, guys, it's official. We are building our Ten of Pentacles. Because we're healing from this. And I was just thinking, you know, 2 cups plus 2 cups is the 4 of Cups. And I was like, yeah, don't have to say every channeled message. And then there, of course, is a connection to the 4 of Cups. So this means something. I bring starry water of the Jupiter temple, inner alchemy of the 4 of Cups. I come that current happiness may be seen in a beneficent philosophical light. As an ambassador, I bring goodwill from water's loving kindness. The 4th water. We create the sovereign Jupiter experiences. Spacious and deep, unconditional love. Child of the supernals. Crosses the abyss to take form. Here arise all symbols of the priest kings and their beneficent teachings. Orb, wand, scepter, shepherd's crook, uniting religions through Mercury and divine love. Within this soul substance abides divine grace, radiant with rainbow light in a cloudless sky. Guys, it's all pointing towards this message of scepter here. Dear alchemist, seek communion. Come into the presence of the giver of blessings. Within such glory, mighty love rules, and all beings rejoice. My alchemy of the 4th water gathers into the vessel. Our arts dissolve and transform with The tincture of the celestial blue. Blended pleasures, guys, are reformed into gracious acceptance of change. Radiant awareness, like seeds of beautiful plants. Water them with your deep feelings. Care for them with your love in due season and let them go where they will. All desiring will soon be made light. All desiring will soon be made light. Guys, I'm telling you, I just feel called to share. The connection is so deep. Saturn and Venus combination with this mansion produces a keen ambition and a desire to attain a position of responsibility in life. You have a desire to rise above your station in life. You crave recognition and respect in traditional sense, to be viewed as a pillar of society, reminding you to achieve such a position, you generally have to employ a significant amount of good planning and forethought. So our connection to Virgo, Libra, Saturn, and Venus. A classical figure stands upon a flat-topped pyramid, itself containing two towers. On either side of the pyramid, two trees grow and twine. The figure carries a crystal orb in one hand and a scepter in the other, symbols of authority and occult power. Behind the figure, a luminous full moon glows. Connection to occult knowledge, occult power, and healing from, people that practice these arts being devil worshippers. We know that's not true, and that was a story that was made up by organized religion in order to keep us from our true power, our true divinity. And it's your intention of the heart and how you're creating. If you're creating with evil intentions, or you can creating with pure intentions of the heart. All right, guys, where are we going? And healing from what was done to us in the past in order to not have our personal power. This is about solar plexus healing. And that did not allow people to work with their own sense of personal power. You could, in a lot of these religions, you were powerless and you just worked with Jesus, or you just worked with God. This is about restoring personal power from within to without and understanding we're co-creators. And if we're going to expand with actual knowledge, that doesn't mean it's from the devil. And accepting everything here is part of the whole, and healing from cancel culture. So we're having an ending. 10 of Swords is here. We're having closure because we're healing from our 5 of Wands charge with the earth element. The Queen of Discs is here to help end the struggle. And that's all this working we're doing with Mercury. And Virgo. So we're allowing the change. We're restoring balance. We're restoring the harmony. And a metamorphosis happens here, guys. Death is here. And the 2 of Cups. Why we're here today. And it's allowing us to expand through the earth with the Prince of Discs. We're going to speak our truths. And we're going to expand with the Wheel of Fortune and elevate. I just want to see what this is, guys. I want to see what this is. Let's see what this is. We're going back to the moon. We're going to transition and advance. This is where we level up. We spin the wheel because we're playing authentic tune. something is activated here as we've created love from fear. This has to do with our completion of the Two of Cups. This part of the transformation that we are working on. We're gonna relax. Look, from the full moon to the new moon. And look, guys, come on. The cards are speaking to each other. We're in a time of being real. Belonging, being real, and relaxing. Guys, relax. This card holds divine feminine energy, and drawing it strongly suggests that goddess energy is on your side. Relax, and your loved ones are being looked after. Whatever your heart holds dearest is safe and well. This may not be the time to charge at what you want, so think about whether you can approach it from another angle. If someone in your life needs you, nurture them. Nurture and be gentle with yourself too. Your diet may need improving for your own well-being. Manifesting focus. This card is a good omen for family issues, house moves, sales, and our purchases, or someone or something that needs protection. So we know that that's Cancer, the great nurturer, and we're working with our family. We're elevating with our family. And guys, this is how we're working with Venus and Cancer in order to create love from fear. That's our connection. So we are in a time of elevating our communities, our families, our connections. Our Three of Cups. This makes complete sense. Spend time with people you love and who love you. Develop a thicker skin. Cherish what you have and you'll have more to cherish. Manifesting tips for connecting with nurturing energy. Call in Archangel Gabriel, who can help you to nurture your own inner child. Draw down the energy of the moon and call in the goddess Selene. Find photos of you with your family or people you love and place them on your altar if you have one. Light a candle, a silver one would be perfect, and bless your family and friends. Your manifestation affirmation. When I nurture myself, life nurtures me back. When to manifest your magic. The best time to work with your magic is when the moon is in Cancer. Or on a Monday, the moon's day, or during Cancer's hour. The new moon in Cancer takes place when the sun and the moon are on the same degree in Cancer, and knows that good nurturing breeds better manifesting. And that's true. Good nurturing breeds better manifestations, and we're learning how to nurture our alignment in order to continue to elevate. Guys, this is lit. I love you so much. I can hardly wait to see you next time when we expand. Until then, I'm sending it to you. Those good healing vibes, guys. Thanks for being here. I love you all so much, okay? Take care.